This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. We are going to be removing this battery, which isn't a really difficult task from this vehicle, but I wanted to just kind of remind you, if you haven't done this before, this is kind of the basics on removal of a battery. The first thing you want to do is, down there is the clamp that holds the battery, secures the battery into place. So you've got that down there. That's something we're going to have to deal with, but I don't like to work around those wires, so I want to get those disconnected. You've got your positive and you've got your negative. Now what you want to do is you want to take the negative off first, the ground off first, which is the black wire. Now the reason for that is that if I'm using my handy little ratchet here, and if I have a spot where I can touch this against the body of the car, so I've got this on the positive terminal and I'm cranking it, and if I can hit some part of the car, I could actually throw sparks, have a short, and whatever kind of problems you might have with that with batteries, especially when I'm putting it back together. So what I want to do is I want to take it to the ground right here, the negative, which is again to the body, the frame of the car. I'll take this one off first. That way, when I go over to remove the positive, if I would happen to touch the body of the car with the ratchet, which is a small ratchet, it won't do it, but a bigger one would. I'm not going to have any chance of throwing sparks or shorting anything out or having problems. When I go to put this back together, then I'm going to reverse the process when I go to put the new battery in. First, I will connect the positive and get the positive all in there, and everything's happy with that. Then I will turn around and connect the ground, or the neutral. That way, again, I'm not going to have the problem with working on the hot side of the battery or the positive side of the battery and hitting the body of the car and throwing sparks. Just a little idea, a little tip here. I'm going to be removing this battery, replacing it because, well, unfortunately this is a repossessed vehicle that we're looking at right now, and this sat for about 6 months and the battery froze. Unfortunately. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman, just giving you a little tip here for removing a car battery.